You enter a trade, price move beautifully in your direction, almost eating your take profit. And then, out of nowhere, it reverses and smashes your stop loss. Be honest with me, how do you react in that moment? Do you stay calm and review your strategy? Do you let frustration take over you? And here's the real question. Do you think this happened because of poor strategy, market manipulation, or just bad timing? I'm curious to see how different traders handle this. For real. This was my experience on Friday. But before I end this particular video, I'm going to tell you guys the reason why price end up coming back to my stop loss before going back up to my take profit. And then every single trader must do this. Every single time price end up getting to your stop loss, always go back to your chart. Study the reason why price not play out. The reason why you end up missing that particular setup or that particular trade. It's so painful because you checking the market, price push off from this particular entry, and then about to get your take profit right here. And price reverse. Got my stop loss within 1 minute. So let me just go to like a 1 minute time frame. Let me show you. Can you see? Within 1 minute, price got my stop loss. So please, I want you guys like to drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think happened? Is it news? Because there was no news at all on Friday. Can you see this Canada? This is on Friday, August 8th. And then these are the news that we have on Friday, on the 8th of August. The only strong news we have is Canadian dollar. And that one was around 1:30 p.m. Because this particular setup happened, this particular pushback, like when price came all the way down, it happened around 2 o'clock. Can you see? 14. Can you see under this particular line? 14 o'clock. That is 2 o'clock p.m. And then if you check the news right here, the Canadian dollar news that we have is just 1:30. So I'm not even expecting Canadian dollar news to affect gold. So it's no news. What happened? And then you can see maybe it's because there's a change in time. Okay, the time right now, can you see the time right up? Right now, 10:53. So this time right here is 10:37, just because that's when I load this particular refresh this particular forex factory. So let me reload it. All right, can you see the time right now? 10:53 a.m. That is when I'm recording this particular video on Sunday. And then you can see the time also right here, 10:53 a.m. So my time is accurate. So every single thing that's supposed to happen around the 1:30. And I'm not even expecting it to affect gold, because this Canadian dollar. So I really want to hear from you guys. The reason why, what do you think? Have you experienced something like this before? I really want to hear from you guys. But before I end this video, as I've promised earlier on, I'm going to tell you guys the reason why. I will tell you. Because I strongly believe in my trade strategy. It's one of the best strategies you can ever learn out there. You can't lose a trade without having no reason why you lose the trade. Alright? So these are the pictures I took when price is here to pick my trade. This is when I analyze the market. So this is my entry. And then this is I'm expecting to leave the market, because I know that price is going to react in this particular area before even breaking this high. That price is going to react. So I analyze this particular market, and then you can see these are live charts, not like I have to do replay bar, just like to take the screenshot because of this video. No, you can see the time right here. I think I'm on 2 minutes time frame right here, 2 minutes time frame, and then I have 1 minute 09 seconds for this candle to end, this last candle when I took the screenshot. This is a live chart. Okay, let me just show you guys something. Let me go back to like what is it called on trade view. All right, sorry. Okay, so on trade view right now, if you want to know the people that I use, because there are a lot of crazy things happening in the industry right now. There are some people that will end up using replay bar just like this. They'll end up using replay bar like this, and then they will do the analysis and post it that, oh, they analyze the market. So the only difference that you're going to know is like there will not be time here. If I have to use replay bar, there will not be time right here. But you can see the time. You can see the time. Can you see the time I took the screenshot? But if you're using replay bar, because a lot of creative things are really happening in the industry, I'm not going to lie. You can see there are going to be a play button right here. And then the time for this last candle is not going to show. So you should know that this is actually a real trade. I enter into this particular trade myself. And at the end of the day, I end up losing $12 because I set my entry, my stop loss back to break even. So just because of the speed, the momentum that price is using to come all the way down, price end up pushing my stop loss from break even to a little bit inside my stop loss. So I end up losing $12. I think I'm right. Yeah, $12. So what do you think? What do you think? All right, so there's a price pigment trade, and then price was getting what on a bullish direction, expecting it to get my take profit. I was really expecting it to get my take profit. Can you see? Price pressure. Can you see? As prices move, it's not showing the time. It's not showing the time under it. So this is a replay bar. So be aware of people on this industry using replay or backtest. So do as if it's a live chart that they entered. It's not a live chart. So you can see where price top me out, and they get my take profit very fast. Very fast. Very fast. So this will analyze the market, and then you can see the time right there. This is a live chart. I took the screenshot, and the price picked my trade. The price was going what on a bullish direction. So nice. When the price got to this particular place, I was like surprised about to get my take profit. Are they even like bothered to leave the market? I just like wait. You can see the time. This is not a bad test. I took the screenshot. This is a live shot. You can see the time right here. I'm already on 10 minutes time for right here. You can see the time. It's remain 2 minutes 40 seconds for this candle to be over. So when price got to this particular area, I took the screenshot. I was happy that I've seen a setup today. It was on Friday as my last setup or my last trade for the week. I was very happy. But let me ask you a question. What if you're the one that have this particular setup? You just leave the market, or you just wait for it to eat your stop loss, your take profit, I mean, like that. Because price is so close to my take profit. Price is so close to my take profit. And then check the market. And this is what end up happening. So what are you going to do? Is it your strategy that is strong, or market structure just playing out its thing? But as I've promised earlier on, I said I'm going to tell you guys the reason why I end up missing the trade. At least something I trade against my strategy. So I just start. Okay. This was my analysis. Can you see these in live shots? And then you can see the time that I took the screenshots. Can you see the time? 1 minute 20 seconds remain. I'm already on 2 minutes time frame. I think I got my order block on 2 minutes time frame. And then looking at the chart right here, Looking at the chart, you can see that price ended up taking out this particular high and also this high right here, making this particular order block a real order block. This was my analysis. This was my trade. This was my setup. Then I was like, let me return it back to 100%. Then I was like, pricing going all the way down. To take out a liquidity, I will mark the liquidity out on, sorry, let me show you guys. This is the liquidity right here. This particular false line you see right here. Okay, this is the liquidity. Can you see? I was expecting price to take out that particular liquidity in the market. This liquidity right here. I was expecting price to take this particular liquidity out, but still respect the next one below it. So she just tap out this one, tap into this particular area, and they start going what's on a bullish direction. That was my expectation. And then I saw it set off. I was like, let me just enter into the market. What if price not going to take out this particular liquidity anymore? What if? And the price going to respect this particular area and they start going up. Then I do on my initial setup. I didn't wait for price to take out that particular liquidity. And then this was the order block I was supposed to make use of. So I was like, okay, what if price end up stopping me out? And then respect this very small order block right here, the one below it. Come in. The one below it, this particular week, because this is the real order block. What if price respect the one below it, this particular week right here, and they do not go below this particular low? So I'm going to end up losing money when I knew that price is still coming all the way down to go below, to take out this particular liquidity right here. To take out this particular liquidity. Sorry. Before price took it out. To take out this particular liquidity right here. So I decided to increase my stop loss. That's when I took this particular screenshot. You can see the time interval. This the candle. This candle remained 1 minute 9 seconds for it to end, and then the first candle 1 minute 30 seconds. So it's in between those seconds. I decide to add the mini movement to it in case price end up stopping this particular order block out. I will not lose any trade. I'll wait for price to return back to my break even. Then I'll close the market myself. That was the plan. Because price definitely going to go below this particular low. And then to take out this particular liquidity out. Of you can see that when price came all the way down, price just target the liquidity. There is the liquidity right here. Price just target the liquidity. You can see I didn't change anything. 3375.68. 3375.68. Can you see 3375.68? It's still the same line. I didn't change anything. I took the screenshot like that. And then this is the live chart, not retest or backtest stuff. So price ended up taking it out. And then I added the mini low. Can you see? When price was playing out, price topped my original order block, the real order block out. Then I knew that price is not going on a bullish direction. It's not going to give 100% movement. I knew that right from the beginning. But I'm just considering, what if price eventually end up going above it? Because sometimes price so crazy. But I trade against my shortage. So this is when I added it in case price gets to this particular line. Let me go back to my chart. In case price go below this particular line right here, this particular order block, then I will know that price not going to go above this particular high. Let me go to 5 minutes. Price not going to get to this particular high is the profit, and the price get to come all the way down to take the low out as what illiquidity, and then take out this particular liquidity and then respect the one below it. They start be what's on a bullish direction. I knew this right from the beginning. I knew this. And then you can see right here when price okay, let me just make use of replay bar. Right here, the trade was more than 1:10. Can you see? 1:13. But when I increased it, it was just 1:8. So I was like, okay, let me just leave it that way and then just like to scalp the market. It's not even up to my minimal ratio. I decided to enter into the market. Then let me delete this. Should I delete this? Okay, let me delete it. So just check inside this particular order block. This order block, it was 2 minutes order block. All right. So this is the order block right here. So I'm not expecting price to go all the way below it. But check out Apple. Price end up going below it. Can you see? Immediately price end up going below it. I knew it. I knew it that price not going to like to get my take profit. So I give the price opportunity to go up. Then I set what my stop loss as break even. In case price decides to come all the way down, I'm not going to lose anything. But at the end of the day, I end up losing $12. I end up losing $12. The price was going up. I was happy that price is going towards the direction. If it's going to get my take profit, and then I'll close in some profit, and then I'll make a little bit profit, then I'll just end the trade for the week. Now I know that something crazy is about to happen. I just pushed out. Take out my trade, take out this liquidity, and then going up back to my take profit. So I was the one that traded against my strategy. I feel so much like a little bit pain. At the same time, like, why don't I just close the market when price is about to get my take profit? Why did I have to leave it to get my take profit? And then I knew that price not going to go on a bullish direction to get my take profit right from the beginning. Because price has already violated the real order block right here. So what am I still expecting? But sometimes, what actually make me to leave the trade is just like, what if I sign up gets my take profit? This was my initial settle. The reason why sometimes I do add a little bit stop loss like this to my entries, if price end up violating the reorder block, then I'll know that market's not going to play out. So I'll just set my entry to break even. So I won't lose any money. That's the reason why I do add like SS stop loss. I believe you guys have learned something from this video. Please like this video. Just like this video. If you're watching this video for the first time, subscribe. And then please comment. This is so painful. You enter into a trade, price move beautifully in your direction. Almost eating your take profit. And then out of nowhere, it reverses and smashes your stop loss. Be honest with me. Be honest. How do you react in that particular moment? How will you? Do you stay calm and review your strategy? Or you let frustration to take over you? And here's the real question. Do you think this happened because of poor strategy? Market manipulation? Or just bad timing? Even though I know what happened to mine, and then I'll explain it. I'm curious to see how other traders handle this. I'm just curious. Please comment in the comment section. If you have expressed this before, how do you handle it? How do you handle it? Will you leave the market when price is about to get your take profit, or you wait for it to get your take profit? I just want to know What if I don't know the reason why price end up gets to my stop loss? I want to know how other traders handle this. Please share this video across any forex trader you know, so I can hear their opinion in the comment section, and also we can all learn together. I'm open to learn. I'm open to learn from anyone right now, because I'm just wondering, what if I don't understand the reason why price end up stopping me out? Will it just be like market manipulation? Because a lot of people call it market manipulation. Or are they watching me? Like, are they watching me? Just want to know for real. So please comment in the comment section right now. I want to hear from you. And then share this video to a lot of forex traders you know, so they can tell you their thoughts based on their past experience, and then we can all learn together in the comment section. I'm open to learn. So like this video. If you don't have anything to comment, just like this video and share. Thanks so much for watching. See you in my next video.